Finapples, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I have been MIA. I know you guys missed me, right? I missed you guys as well, but this is why I have my social medias linked down below.
Smiling back when they pray, consoler.
Hey guys, I am back with another video. I have been MIA for the past month and a half, and that is because I have been going through a lot. And I say a lot, I mean a lot of crap, yeah? Certain things I can't say, but yeah, guys, just keep me in your prayers and bear with me. I'm trying my best. I just needed some time to get myself in order emotionally. So yeah, I am back, and I am back with another tutorial. So now I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow, and I'm going to start off with my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Now Juvia's Place have been getting a lot of backlash lately on social media. I don't know, so I'm gonna go in with the purple, and I'm going to place that into my crease. Alright, so I'm going to do this eye off camera and this eye on camera for you guys. So now I am going to be going in with the orange from the same palette, and I'm going to put this above the purple on the brow bone just to help blend out the purple. And I'm just using patting motions. This brush is a little bit big for my brow bone area, but when you have been doing this for a while, you would know how to angle your brush. And as you guys can see, the orange is blending into the purple, which is exactly what I want. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with a next brush, and then I'm gonna go in with this fuchsia pink right here, and I'm going to do the same but in the inner part of my eyes right here. I'm just gonna blend. Why do I still have my hand up? I'm not sure. And you have to make sure both colors are blended into each other nicely, because we don't want any lines of demarcation. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this to the other eye. Alright, so I think I am going to use the Zulu palette alone. Let's cut the crease, and I'm going to be using my LA Pro concealer in Fan and a flat brush to do so. Alright guys, so let's get into a bit of what was and still a little bit is going on with me. No, it is not easy losing a family member, especially when the family member has impacted your life in such a big way. It is very hard. So on Father's Day, I lost my cousin, who I call auntie since I was young, because I used to go by her almost. I used to go and see her almost every weekend. So it's like I used to call her auntie for some reason. So on Father's Day, she passed away. And it was so unexpected. Guys, I won't be able to talk and cut my crease. So let me just do this and then I'm gonna come back. Alright, so one I always do better than the other. I mean, it's whatever. So it happened so sudden, and I honestly did not expect her to go the way she did. But she did, and the impact that she had on my life, I can say that it could never ever be forgotten, because she was the most humble and kind person that I have ever known. Trust me, I have never seen her gotten upset or anything. I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying that she never got upset, but if she was upset, you would have never known that she was upset. She always had a smile on her face. She always speak positive into my life, and it was very hard for me. Very, very hard. So yeah, that's basically the gist of what went down. There are more stuff that went down, but there is just so much that I want to disclose. That's all. Alright, so now I'm going to be going into the Saharan palette, and I'm going to be taking Chad, which is this black right here, and I'm going to put this on the outer part of my eyelids. Just feathering it out. Go in with Lulu, and this is from the same Saharan palette, and I'm going to use that for my lids. And now I'm gonna go back in with the Zulu palette, and I'm contemplating if I should use this or this or this. Let's go in with this shade right here. It's a shimmery blue shade. Hope you guys can see. And I'm going to put this in the inner corners of my eyes. But first, I'm going to spray my brush because I need to get that pop. I'm going to go in with Chad, and I'm going to smudge that under my lower lash line. I am going to be back with the final look. Alright guys, this is what I'm looking like with no finishing spray on yet. I look so flawless, right? So let me just spray my face. This is some Fix Plus, well, this is some setting spray that I made by myself. So I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna use my brush that I use for my all over face powder, then I'm gonna pat my face. My face looks so good whenever I wear my Fenty. Oh my gosh. Take out these raggedy edges. And I am in the shade 430. If you guys want to know what shade I am in, the Fenty Beauty foundation. Yeah. So this is it guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and before you leave, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and click the post notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. So guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video, and yeah, I love you guys. Bye.